In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlink Instagram from your Facebook page. First, open Facebook, click on menu. Now click here. Now select your Facebook page. We will select this page, the Rohan Nag Show. Now again click on menu. Scroll down to settings and privacy. Click on settings. Scroll down to bottom until you find linked account. Click on it. Click on Instagram. So you see our Facebook page, the Rohan Nag Show, is already connected to a Instagram page on the same name, Rohan Nag Show. So now we will disconnect or unlink this page. So now we will click on disconnect account. Tap on yes, disconnect. And now you can see our Instagram account has been disconnected. Okay, now click on OK. So this is how you disconnect or unlink your Instagram account from your Facebook page. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.